श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचंद्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वंशाक्रोधश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधो दीनबंधो जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिय। ओं वृंदावै तुलसी देव्यै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ता विहीनापराध लक्ष्यै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादि तरंग मध्ये कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्न वृंदे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम्। भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रां स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मिताश्यं वदामि राधां करुणाभराद्रा ततो ममान्नस्ते गतिर्न कापि। हा देवी काकुभर गदगदयद्वाचा जाचिनी पत्तिभुवि दण्डवद्भुटार्ते अश्रप्रसादमब्दश जनस्य कृत्वा गंधर्विके निजगणे गणनां विदये विदे। अंगश्यामलि छटा मंदे केतन्द्री वरं जड्डं जाचो गुडुरुचिरं पट्टं वरस्य श्रिया बिन्दारुनिवासुनितिल सद्दाम दामोदरं राधास्कन्दनिवेशुलज्जलो भुजां ध्यानस्तु दामोदरं। तवैवास्मि न जीवामि तया विना इति विज्ञाय ते राधे तं नयामि चरणान्तिके। हा देवी काकुभर गदगदयद्वाचा जाचिनि पत्तिभुवि दण्डवद्भुटार्ते अश्रप्रसादमुदश जनस्य कृत्वा गन्धर्विके निजगणे गणनां विदेहि। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। सर्वप्रथम, first of all, I offer my humble respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma. Nitya Lila Pravishta Om Vishnupad Ashtutra Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj and Nitya Lila Pravishta Om Vishnupad Ashtutra Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nityala Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutra Satyavad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and presented all of my respectful guests. So, just I want to speak few words. Now Gurudev Satavarshiki means क्या बोलते हैं, centennial is going on all over the world. Everybody also so much enthusiastic to glorification about our beloved Gurudev's life history and his contribution. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu predicted पृथ्वीते आछे जत नगरादि ग्राम सर्वत्र प्रचार होइबे मोर नाम. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu predicted in Chaitanya Chaitamritam. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami very clearly mentioned this verse, Bengali verse. One day my name would be spread all over the world and all the devotees, they will be chant holy names Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Every single of the persons, every village, and every corner of the city, everybody will be chant holy names. And even Bhaktivinoda Thakur, and in his life history, he also wrote, according to my transcendental vision and antardrishti, I am looking the thousands of the eternal associates of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. They are coming from transcendental world, and they also preaching all over the world his holy names. And one day everybody will become Vaishnava, and they will put tilak marks on their forehead, and they will be raised their hands and only chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. All the religious people, they will be chant only holy names, because our Shastra also explain in this Kali Yuga there are no any other process to attain to Lord without Harinam. Hare Nama, Hare Namaiva Kevalam Kalau Nasteva Gatirannatha. 3 times repeated this verse, Hare Nama. That means in this Kali Yuga there are no any process to attain to Lord. By the performing of karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya, you may not attain your highest perfection. Okay? So for this regard, 3 times utter these words, Hare Nama, Hare Namaiva Kevalam, only Harinam. And in this Kali Yuga there are no any other process attain to Lord, only rendering, chanting the holy names, Nam Sankirtan. And Kali Kali Nam Bina Nahi Ar Dharma Sarva Shastre Ei Sar Marma. The essence of all the scriptures, Ved, Puran, Upanishad, that is called Nam Sankirtan. Kali Kali Nam Bina Nahi Ar Dharma Sarva Shastre Ei Sar Marma. Sar Marma, the essence of and all Ved, Puran, Upanishad, that is called Nam Sankirtan. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in his Sikshastak also very clearly explained, Lord invested all his potency in holy names, and especially Nama Prabhu, and he will be delivered to all the living entities. And there are no difference between Nam and Nami. That means Krishna and Krishnanam. And so, but holy names is very powerful, more than Sri Hari. Hari se bada Hari ka naam. And Hindi verse also saying holy names is higher than Sri Hari. And so now this prediction also going to fulfill. Our Purva Acharya, previous Acharyas, Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, and also all our previous Acharyas, they also praise Nam Sankirtan. But we see Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, he praised Nam Sankirtan all over the world. And in the same way, our beloved Gurudev, Sri Narayana Goswami Maharaj, he also praised Nam Sankirtan all over the world. And all the Westerners and Indians, they also making their love and affection each others, and they completely absorbed then to forget their bodily conception. And all they are chanting holy names and embracing and to each others. And so Bhaktivinoda Thakur predicted these things also within 400 years, and only Vaishnava Dharma will be attained in highest and perfection. Because jivas, their spontaneous nature to serve to Krishna. Because jivir sarup hai Krishna nityadas. That means all the living entities, they are the eternally servant of Krishna. We are not Mayadas, we are not the servant of Maya. All we are the servant of Krishna Das. And Vishnu Das, Krishna Das. And so Vishnu Das means that is called Vaishnavas. And according to our Shastra explained this way, 5 types of upasana. There are 4 processes to attain, 5 processes to attain to Lord. That is called Panchoposana. First upasana, worship, that is called Saura upasana, worship to Lord, Sun God, that is called Saura. And one who worships to Lord Surya, he is called Saura. Or those who worship to Ganesh, they are called Ganapatta. And those who worship the Devi Durga Kali, that is called Shakti Upasana, they are called Sakta. Those who worship to Lord Vishnu, that means Krishna, they are called Vaishnava. So Vaishnava Dharma will be established and within 400 years, and all the religious people, they will be also chant holy names under guidance of Vaishnava philosophy. Because Vaishnava philosophy is the highest. So for this regard, our beloved Gurudev, he preached all over the world and Vaishnava philosophy. And especially my Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who accepted the Brahma, what is called? Madhacharya philosophy. And for this regard, our Sampraday's name is called Brahma Madhya Gauriya Sampradaya. Maybe your question will come, why Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu accepted and Brahma Sampradaya? Brahma Sampradaya means? And maybe you not, maybe you confused. Actually, 4 Sampradayas has mentioned in our Shastra in Padma Purana. And that is called Sri, Brahma, Rudra and Sanak Sampradaya. And if you not received Diksha mantra from belongs to this Vaishnava Sampradaya, you will not attain your highest perfection. And so for this regard, Padma Puran quoted one verse, Sampradaya Vihina Mantrasti Vifala Mata Sri Brahma Rudra Sanaka Iti Khiti Pavana. And you have to receive Diksha mantra from belongs to these 4 Sampradayas. Otherwise you will not get fruit chanting the mantra. So our Shastra saying that you have to receive Diksha mantra from belongs to any Vaishnava Sampradaya. Sri Sampradaya or Madhya Sampradaya or Sri Rudra Sampradaya or Sanak Sampradaya. So it is Sri Brahma Rudra Sanaka it is Khiti Pavana. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he accepted Madhya Sampradaya's conception, vichar. Why? Because Madhacharya very clearly explained this philosophy. That philosophy is called dualism, Daitavad, dualism. And in this dualism, Madhacharya very clearly explained 5 differences and very clearly explained this. And first, that is called Bhedavad. Bhedvad, that is called Bhed. First, that is called Jiva Issare Bhed. Issare Jivere Bhed. The difference between Lord and living entities. And Or second, the jive jive bhed, the difference between jivas and other jivas. That is called jive jive bhed. Third, that is called jive jade bhed, the difference between jivas and inert jada. Or fourth, that is called jade jade bhed. Jade jade bhed means difference between inert and inert. Jade jade bhed. Fifth, that is called jade ishware bhed, difference between inert and Lord. So first I want to clear this Madhya philosophy, Daitavad. So now coming in this way, Ishware Jiva Bhed, the difference between Lord and living entities. This is very clear. Lord is the supreme, who is the supreme controller. Who is the supreme controller? He is called supreme controller, who controls to everybody. And without his desire, no one can do anything. Even our Shastra say, oh my God, फिर कहाँ चला गया? काट गया? ये काट गया ना?
कनेक्टिंग हो रहा है दोबारा से।
या
नेट आ रहा है? नेट आ रहा है?
मेरा वो है कि नहीं? वो बंद हो गया कैसे? हाँ? 1 second.
अपना फोन में चालू कर।
जी।
देखना
अरे वो इंटरनेट बंद कैसे हो गया? हरे कृष्णा।
मेरे वाला कनेक्ट कर लो।
हैं?
मेरा वाला तो यहाँ पे वाईफाई दूसरा वाला।
ये वाला हरि बोल सब डिस्कनेक्टेड है।
इसको कनेक्ट कर लो।
हरि बोल कनेक्टेड है तो नहीं
कनेक्टेड है।
डिड यू लिसन माय वॉइस? हरि बोल
कनेक्ट तो हुआ है।
हरि बोल डिड यू लिसन माय वॉइस? You are unmuted by host. Naveen Prabhu? Okay. So now coming to just I also explain the dualism, Daitavad, the doctrine of Madhacharya. Madhacharya philosophy, just I also discussed why Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu accepted the Madhya philosophy. Those Shastras saying that 4 great philosophers, Sri Brahma, Rudra and Sanak Sampradaya. But why Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu accepted Madhacharya's philosophy? And for this regard, our Sampradaya name is called Brahma Madhya Gauriya Sampradaya. And because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he noticed in the doctrine of Madhacharya, that is very clear about this philosophy, which just I also explained. Madhacharya, he explained, and first he explained about Ishwara Jiva Bhed, the difference between Lord and living entities. Because Lord is called the great, Mahan, and no one can equal to him. He is unique and unparalleled. Jivas, they are very minute, very small. And Ishwar is called that means Lord is the supreme controller. Mayadhish, Mayabos, Ishwar Jiva Bhed. Chaitanya Charitamrita. Krishna, that means Lord, he is called Mayadhish. He is the supreme controller of Maya. A jiva is completely also controlled by Maya. And Maya she cannot and cover to Lord. Where is Lord? Maya she is very far from Lord. And Bhakti Yogena Manasi Sammaka Praniti Amali Apasat Purusham Purna Mayancha Tadapasram. Tadapasram, that is Maya, she is very far from Lord. So, for this regard, in even Srimad Bhagavad Gita also explained, Maya she is completely controlled by Lord. So Maya she is called the maid servant of Lord. Maya Dasi. So for this regard, Shastra explains the Bhakti Yogena Manasi Sammaka Praniti Amali Apasat Purusham Purna Mayancha Tadapasam. Tada Apasram. That Maya she is very far from Krishna. So now, in this way, Lord is unique and unparalleled. Natasya samakcha udikasya disate parasa sakti vivudra suvate savabhiki jnana bala kriyacha. In this verse very clearly explained, Lord, he is the supreme. So Madhacharya established these things. And Lord, he is called Mayadhish. Ajivas, that is called.
Some connection lost. Some connection lost. Now they write.
connection lost.
Hari bol. कुछ कनेक्शन you lost.
ये तो चालू हो गया.
And तोड़ने को पिजन religion what is.
They say Zoom.
Hari bol. Navin Prabhu, listen, because sometimes disconnected. क्या करें? आँख बंद करके बोलना पड़ेगा ना.
ये वाला भी चालू हो गया. इसको कनेक्ट करना. इसको कर लो.
No sound on Zoom.
Huh?
They're saying no sound on Zoom.
No sound on the Zoom. Hari bol. Hari bol, I am listening to your voice. Okay, the Chinese devotees, they are online or not? Okay, they are. Okay, so they are online. Okay, so okay, thank you. Just I also explained the doctrine of Madhacharya. Madhacharya explained the 5 difference, and there are 5 types of Vedas. First is Sarjiva Ved, difference between Lord and living entities. Just I also explained, Lord is the supreme, Ajivas, the servant of Lord, and Lord he is called unique and unparalleled, and he is called great also, Mahan. Jiva is very minute. So, and Jive Ved now coming. The living entities, difference between living entities and another living entities. That is also difference, because some jivas that is called sattvic jivas, some jivas is called rajasic jivas, some jivas also tamasic jivas. Madhacharya very clearly explained, even in our liberated state, mukta dasha, and also baddha dasha, also difference. Even jivas liberated from this material world and attain to transcendental world, and there are also a difference. Or the difference, some jivas They worship to Lord with the mood of Dasa, Sakha, Vatsalya and Madhurya. But those who are the devotees of Lord serve to him with Madhurya Ras. The most of the Madhurya Ras devotees, they are called female. And those devotees are Dasa, Sakha, Vatsalya, they are called male form. But in Golok Vrindavan, Vatsalya Ras and Mother Jasoda, though she is Vatsalya Ras, but her form also female form. So, Jiva Jiva Bhed, and then Jiva Jara Bhed, that means Jor, that is called inert. Living entities means there are three things are there: feeling, willing, and knowing. But inert, they have no feeling, willing, and knowing. And also Jara Bhed, inert, the difference between inert and inert. Jara Bhed, that is called some inert, that is called liquid, some also called solid, that is called water, that is called liquid, or bricks, or heart and soul, these things also. Even also explain, this is very clearly explained, if you make one wall with the bricks, you cannot see other side of the wall. But if you make one wall with the glass, so you can see other side of the glass, so you can see this way. So difference in this way. Then Ishare Jare Bhed, this is very clear. Lord, He is the Supreme. And He is also Chetan Dharma is there, conscious being. And our Jiva is what is called Jara is the unconscious. And so in this way, Madhacharya very clearly explained in his doctrine of Dvaitavad, dualism in there. Even Madhacharya is very clear also, Rasagata Madhurya he also explained. And the Madhacharya, he found one Bal Gopal and holding the stick of the Chani Jogat on his hand, and in this way Madhacharya, and he established the Gopi Bhav and in there also. So in this way Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu accepted the Madhya philosophy, Tattva Siddhanta philosophy, and also Rasmadhurya philosophy. So for this regard Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu accepted Madhya philosophy. For this regard, in our Sampradaya name is called Brahma Madhya Gauriya Sampradaya. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he did not manifested in extra and sampradayas. Because Padma Puran very clearly explained 4 sampradayas. For this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu accepted the Madhya sampradayas. And the Baladev Vidyabhushan very clearly explained in this philosophy that the 5 tattva is there: Ishar, Jeev, Prakriti, Kal and Karma. Ishar, Jiva, Prakriti, Kal and Karma. Ishar means supreme, with the supreme controller, and he is called Ishar. Jivas, living entities, 2 types of living entities, one is called Mukta Jivas, liberated Jivas, and another is called bondage Jivas, Baddha Jivas also. The Baddha Jivas, they also staying in this material world and completely forget to Lord. But if they associate with Sadhu Sangha, they will be liberated from this material world and attain to the abode of Lord. So he also Ishar Jeev, Prakriti. Prakriti means nature. This nature is always changing. And this whole the nature is going on the Sattik nature, Tamasic, Rajasic, and Sattik, Rajasic and Tamasic nature. That is called Ishar Jeev Prakriti. And this Prakriti also controlled by Lord. Maya dakshana Prakriti srote sacharacharam hetu anena kantya jagadvi parivartate. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, according my guidance, adakshata, and nature she also, Prakriti she creates everything also in this material world. But without the under guidance of Krishna, nature cannot manifest anything. So in this way, explain the Prakriti, Kal means time. Time is very powerful. And time is very powerful. According to time, we can get everything. How many types of times? 3. Vartaman Kal, present time, and future and past time also. But in transcendental world, there are only one time, one Kala. That is called Nitya Vartaman Kal. Nitya Vartaman Kal. And there in there. There are no any others. Because transcendental world always going on this way. That is called Nitya Vartaman Kal. And this is also Achinta, which is beyond of our material conception. And this also explains Achinta means what the beyond of our material. Achinta khoruje bhava tangs tarkana jajjit prakriti bhavrevasa achinta salakshanam. Achinta means beyond of our material conception. And Achinta khoruje bhava tangs tarkana, you cannot attain your highest perfection just and performing the dry logic, tarka, suska tarka. These things. You have to do bhajan sadhan and read granthas under guidance of Guru and Vaishnava. And Ishwar Jeev Praviti Kal so Kal is very powerful. And according to the guidance of Lord Krishna, Samsundar, sun sets and sun rises. And this is Torah. Because Lord is very powerful. And so far the Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he sang one song, Tava Ichha Mata Jivir Janama Maran. O my Lord, according your desire, living entities, they take birth and also give up their body. And this is going on this way. Ishwar Ichhadhin, everything is. And Hindi words also explain they say, भगवान की इच्छा बिना एक पत्ता भी नहीं हिलता. And without the desire of Lord, and one small leaf can't to move. So that means Lord is the supreme. And so now Ishwar Ji Prakriti Kal or karma. Karma means that is the fruit of action. And karma phal. All the living entities, they are suffering their previous fruit of action. But who is Lord? He is beyond of this karma. So for this regard, Krishna says to Arjuna Bhagavad Gita, Janma karma cha me dibbam jo vetti tattataha tattva deha puna janma na vidyate. And Krishna says, one who realized about my janma and karma, birth and other activities, when he will be give up his body, then he will be attain my abode, dham. So janma karma cha me dibbam. Because Lord's janma, birth and karma, activity, that is called transcendental. So janma karma cha me dibbam jo vetti tattah. One who realized my all kinds of activities, karma, and after he is giving up his body, he will be attain my abode. And again he will not come back in this material world. That is called, very clearly explained, Jadgatva no nivartante tadhamang paramam mamaha. One who attains my abode, dham, Vaikuntha dham, he will never fall down in the material, never will come in this way. This is the process also this. So within janma karma cha dibbam jo vetti tattataha. And very clearly understand this philosophy. So now coming in this way, well, the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he accepted Madhya philosophy, because Madhya philosophy, that is called dualism, Dvaitavad, very clearly explain difference and non-difference from Jivas and Lord also. So very clearly we understand to the difference between Lord and Jivas, but little bit very difficult to understand what is the non-difference, mean similarity to Lord and Jivas. जीव और ब्रह्म में, भगवान में है ऐक्य कहाँ पर है बताओ? चेतनता, कॉन्शस बीइंग है. जीवस, लॉर्ड ही इज कॉल्ड सुप्रीम कॉन्शस बीइंग, बृहत चैतन्य है. और विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती पाद एक्सप्लेन 2 काइंड्स ऑफ कॉन्शस बीइंग. क्या बोला? 2 प्रकार के जो है चैतन्य कहा जाता है. एक one first that is called Brihat Chaitanya, another is called Anu Chaitanya. Very clear understand. Brihat Chaitanya, that means Krishna. No one equal to him. Natasya क्या बोले? उनके बराबर कोई है. No one equal to. क्या श्लोक है? न तक्ष विकश्च दिशते पराशक्ति विबुधो सुवते स्वाभाविकी ज्ञान बल क्रिया च. No one equal to Lord. Lord is the supreme. And he has innumerable Shakti, potency, Ananta Shakti. But 3 Shaktis are very prominent. The Chit Shakti, Jiva Shakti and Maya Shakti. Chit Shakti, which is transcendental potency, he creates the transcendental world. That is called Chit Shakti. A second, that is called Jiva Shakti. In this Jiva Shakti, Lord, he manifested all kinds of Jivas. The Jiva Shakti. Jiva Shakti is one name is called also Tatastha Shakti. Tatastha Shakti. Or another name is called also Vivinnangsha Shakti. That means Jivas manifested from what is called? Tatastha Shakti. Those Jivas sought to Krishna, they attain to transcendental world. Those Jivas sought to Maya, then Maya Devi's duties. What are the duties of Maya Devi? Make the forgetfulness. And also cover his body with
subtle body and mental body.
2 things. One is called Sukshma Sharir, and another is called Sthul Sharir. Gross body and subtle body. Gross body is that is called made by the 5 things also. Panchabhutik Sharir. A Panchabhutik Sharir. This body is called Panchabhutik Sharir. And that means this body built with the 5 elements. Mitti, Jal, Agni, Vayu, Akash. This is also material. A Sukshma Sharir, there is a subtle body. That is called Man, Buddhi, Ahankar and Chitta. Mind, intelligence, and egos and heart. So that is called these things also. And inside the subtle body, Sukshma Sharir, Atma, soul resides in there. And very nice, beautiful, interesting things also explained in this philosophy. And when Jivas are wake up, Jagrit, then Atma resides where? In your eyes. Where is your Atma now? On the eyes. Or when you sleep, Susipti Dasa, when you sleep, then Atma resides in your Haribol, Hare Krishna. Here internet sometimes also making very disturbance, Listen, Hare Krishna. My God, why my sound is off?
They also listen here on Facebook.
Did you listen? But I am listening your voice. Every second. And Vedanta Darshan, the Vedanta philosophy also explain. And अब जा रही हो? अरे बैठो 2 मिनट बैठो, अभी खत्म हो गया. बैठो बैठो बैठो. कहाँ जाओ? हैं? जाना तो है ही. 2 मिनट बैठ करके जाओ. हो गया, खत्म हो गया, 10 बज गया. हैं? When you sleep, then your Atma resides on your heart. And that is called Padma Kosa. And your Atma will saying this. And very nice, beautiful, interesting philosophy also explained this way. So just I also explain this way, this philosophy. Madhacharya, and he also established 2 things also, Ras Vichar and Tattva Vichar. And there are no difference, all the incarnation of Lord. And Siddhanta Tattva Vedisupi, according to the conception of the scriptures, there are no difference between and Lord and his incarnation. And Ishwarer bhed manile hoyto aparad. If you discriminate the Lord and his incarnation, that is called offenses. And because Lord is one, ekameva dityam, he is one without second. But according to Ras Vichar, and Krishna is the supreme. This way also. And because Lord, he manifested many forms. And especially, and same Krishna, he manifested in the form of in Vishnu form, in Vaikuntha. That is called Santarasa is there. Or Ajodha, same Krishna, he manifested in the form of Ramachandra in Ajodha, Dasara is there. And then same Krishna, he appeared in Golok Vrindavan, that is called Sakha, Vatsana and Madhurya. In this way, Lord, he relishes all kinds of melodies from the heart of his devotees. So far this regard our Shastra explain, there are no difference between Lord and his incarnation. And so we are saying this word, one is called Sangsa and is called Vivinangsa. Sangsa, that is called the incarnation of Lord. A Vivinangsa, that is called Jiva Tattva. So maybe later we will also discuss all this philosophy. Now time is over. Maybe tomorrow we will discuss. Hare Krishna. Gaur Premanandi Hari Hari. Jai Jai Sri Radhe. Okay? Okay, maybe day after tomorrow we will discuss more Hari Katha. Okay? Hari Bol. Okay, Jai Chinese devotees ki Jai. I did not see your picture. Okay? Okay, you have to learn Madhya philosophy, the doctrine of Madhacharya and Vaishnava Sampradaya. And for this regard, Guru Parampara Jano Bhalomate, very clearly understand of our disciplic succession. Guru Parampara, very important. Gaur Premanandi Hari Hari. Okay, my heartly blessing all to you. All you learn Vaishnava philosophy. Dhanavad Pranam. Okay, Jai Guru Bajul, Prajul ki Jai. Okay, see you soon. Now is okay, my heartly blessing to you, Hare Krishna. बंद हो गया नहीं?
मीटिंग
ये अपडेट कैसे क्या हो रहा है?
अपडेट
एवरी
अपडेट न्यू वर्जन आ गया ना, अपडेट
जरूरत है, ये क्या हो रहा है?
अपडेट हो रहा है।